జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 258th నామం ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం. ఓం వృషభాయ నమః. హో శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, we are facing so many troubles in this travel through the body. We are going through so many sufferings. We are going through so many pains. At every step, at every moment, we are being attacked by several different pains. Oh Srimannarayana, when we are going through these kind of troubles, if we approach you, if we come to you, you are the one who showers such a graceful anugraham on each and every one. Oh Srimannarayana, you are the one who showers such a wonderful smile on each and every one. Oh Srimannarayana, you are the one who showers such a beautiful, very sweet words on each and every one. Like this, with your smile, with your divine Kataksha Vikshanas vision, and with your nice speech, with your nice consoling words, you are the one who helps us to get rid of all kind of sufferings and troubles. Oh Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Vrishabhaya Namaha. Om Vrishabhaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart and giving us all of his nice blessings and consoling us at every step of our suffering, such Srimannarayana is there within our own heart. Let us catch hold the divine lotus-like feet of Srimannarayana and sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Astram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.